In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and clicking on Photos or Library at the bottom. After locating all of your pictures to delete, hold one of them and then use those type of dots at the top right corners. Following that, to exclude some of those photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use bin icon. Then select OK in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!